Tam from the Thinker's Cap Education. Okay, today we're going to explore the topic of trigonometry. Okay, where we talk about the angles in the 4 different quadrants and how the trigonometry ratios are affected by the angles that are placed in the different quadrants. Okay, let's consider an angle in the first quadrant where theta is an acute angle. Alright, okay, so in this case, we will use the Cartesian coordinates, right? The Cartesian graph, okay, to represent this angle. And any positive angle will start a rotation from the x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction. Alright, so in this case, okay, this angle is defined by 2 rays here, right? My y coordinate, okay, represented by positive y, and the x coordinate represented by positive x. Again, we have a right angle triangle here, alright, where r is the hypotenuse. Okay, in this case, r is always positive, okay, because applying my Pythagoras theorem, my x squared plus y squared is equals to r squared, and since the square of 2 numbers is always positive, therefore my r is always positive. Alright, okay, let's look at the trigonometry ratios for this acute angle. Okay, sine theta, okay, we will have the ratio of the opposite side over the hypotenuse, alright, which is y over r. And since y over r are both positive, right, your sine theta is more than 0, positive as well. Alright, cosine theta, okay, would be adjacent over hypotenuse, right? So in this case, we will have x over r, and since both the terms are positive, okay, my cosine theta is positive, okay, and tangent theta at y over x, okay, opposite over adjacent, right? So I have y over x, okay, which is also more than 0, okay, for an angle that is in the first quadrant, because both quantities are positive as well, right? So in the first quadrant, all my trigonometry ratios are in the positive. Okay, let's explore the second quadrant. Okay, in this case, I have an angle here, okay, which is 180, okay, minus theta. All right. Okay, in this case, we can use an angle in the second quadrant representing theta here, alright, that is made against the x-axis. Alright, so my y will be positive y, my x, because it's on the left hand side of the y-axis, is going to be negative x, and my r is against positive. Alright, so let's consider the 3 trigonometry ratios in this case. Okay, sine theta, okay, which is y over r. Okay, and since both quantities are positive, this is a positive quantity as well, right? Okay, cosine theta, okay, is minus x over r. Okay, adjacent over hypotenuse, and since x is negative, okay, cosine theta is negative, right? Okay, and last but not least, we have tangent theta. Alright, where we have y over minus x. And since one of the quantity is negative at the denominator, okay, this is less than 0. And in this case, only my sine of an obtuse angle is positive. So I've got S here, right? And it's positive. Okay, we can extend the same thing, okay, for the third and the fourth quadrant, right? Okay, and the same reasoning would apply, right? So in this case, I have minus y, okay, minus x, r is still the same, and I've got minus y here and r here. So in this case, if you consider the trigonometry ratios, okay, I have sine theta equals to minus y over r, which is negative, okay, cosine theta, which is minus x over r, which is negative as well, and tangent theta, right, which is minus y over minus x, which gives me y over x, which is positive. So in this quadrant, okay, the third quadrant angle, only tangent is positive. Okay, the other two ratios will be negative as well, right? Okay, and last but not least, the fourth quadrant, okay, where we have sine theta, right? This is my angle here, theta, which is made against the x-axis. Okay, my sine theta is minus y over r negative. My cosine theta is x over r. Okay, this is the only one that is positive, right? And last but not least, okay, tangent theta, which is minus y over x, which is negative. So in the fourth quadrant, alright, any angle with a trigonometry ratio will be positive if the trigo ratio is a cosine, right? And then we have it, okay, all cosine, sine and tangent positive in the first quadrant, okay, only sine positive, tangent positive in the third quadrant, and only cosine positive in the fourth quadrant. Alright, okay, if you find that this lesson is useful in helping you to understand, okay, visit the link below and click subscribe, okay, to my videos, and you'll be informed where there are new videos coming out, okay, in mathematics. Okay, I'll see you on the other side. Thank you.